Have you ever craved a cheesecake brownie but didn't want to open up your oven during a heat wave to heat up your whole house? Well, here's a solution for you. You're going to make your own personal cheesecake brownie right here in a mug and a microwave in about 5 minutes time. So let's get started.
So starting with a cream cheese filling, we are going to start with 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, to which we add 2 teaspoons of sugar, a little splash of vanilla, maybe about 1 teaspoon, and then just mix it with a fork to combine well. Now moving on to the mug, I'm going to plop in 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and mix together. Once this mixture is well combined, you want to set aside 1 tablespoon and then plop this into your microwave for about 30 seconds on high. You can see now that the brownie has set in your mug, and we are going to build on our second layer. So here we put in the cream cheese filling that we had. You can spread it around or not, depending on your preference. Then put in the remaining batter of the brownie that we set aside from earlier. Pour it right on top, and then garnish with some hazelnuts. Do a better job than I did and distribute this relatively evenly if you can. Then it's back into the microwave for 1 minute 30 seconds. Once you take it out, it will have all set and the hazelnuts will have plopped down, so you won't see it on top. You want to let this cool for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes and then run your knife around the side so you can pour it nicely into your plate. I actually wasn't very patient and I already ran my knife before, which is why you'll see this didn't come out perfectly, but you'll do a better job than me. Garnish with a little raspberry on top, maybe with some powdered sugar, and you are basically ready to serve.
Okay, time for a taste test. Kind of fell apart on that one side, but let's try this. It's incredibly moist, so much lighter than a brownie. Cream cheese filling is such a surprise when you bite into it. It's really good. One complaint is I did not distribute hazelnuts evenly, so I'm now gonna go digging for a side that has hazelnut. How about this? You know what? It's a hot day today, and I really saved myself from not having to use the oven, but I think I'm gonna go run and get some ice cream to serve this with. So, see you guys, thanks for watching.